Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche 911 manual. First, understand the clutch's engagement point for smooth starts. Practice rev matching for seamless downshifts, which extends engine life. Master the heel-toe technique for optimal braking and downshifting simultaneously. Finally, learn the shift pattern and gear ratios to fully enjoy spirited driving. This foundational knowledge is key to unlocking the true potential of your manual Porsche. Mastering the clutch is fundamental. Slowly release the clutch pedal until you feel the car begin to move, which is the friction point. As the clutch engages, apply gentle throttle to prevent stalling. When shifting up, lift off the accelerator, depress the clutch, select the next gear, and smoothly release the clutch while reapplying throttle. For downshifts, match engine revolutions to road speed for a seamless transition. Advanced techniques like rev matching and heel-toe elevate your driving. Rev matching involves a brief blip of the throttle during downshifts to match engine speed, ensuring smooth gear changes. The heel-toe method combines braking, downshifting, and rev matching by using your heel and toe on the pedals simultaneously. This maintains chassis balance, especially during aggressive cornering, and significantly reduces wear on your drivetrain components, enhancing overall control. Driving a manual Porsche 911 offers a truly unique experience. Its distinctive rear-engine weight distribution provides exceptional traction and a characteristic handling feel. The precise steering offers direct feedback, allowing for accurate cornering inputs. The manual gearbox creates a direct, engaging connection between you and the road, making every shift and every turn incredibly rewarding. Embrace these dynamics to fully enjoy the legendary Porsche driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.